The pileated woodpecker is North America's largest woodpecker, a crow-sized bird with a striking red crest, black body, and white stripes on its neck and face. Known for its loud call and distinctive rectangular holes in trees as it forages for ants and beetles. Males have a red mustache, while females do not, and they are found in mature forests, often creating cavities that provide shelter for other species. Appearance: size, large, crow-sized, 16 to 20 inches long. Color: mostly black with a prominent red crest, white stripes on the neck, and white undersides of wings visible in flight. Male versus female. Males have red on the forehead and a red mustache. Females have black on the forehead and cheek. Habitat and diet. Habitat: prefers mature forests with large dead trees, snags, and logs. Diet: primarily carpenter ants, but also other insects like wood-boring beetles, termites, and some fruits and nuts. Foraging: pecks large, rectangular holes in wood to find food. Behavior and sound. Call: a loud, distinctive kick-kick-kick-kick-kick. Drumming: produces a powerful, slow, rolling drum sound. Nesting: excavates cavities in trees, which are later used by other animals like owls, bats, and swifts. Fun fact: the pileated woodpecker is believed to have inspired the cartoon character Woody Woodpecker.